Premium quality, made of certified food-grade Kraft brown paper, our 2-pound bags are great for packing food, storing food, and taking food on the go. Designed with a flat square bottom, our bags can stand on their own, making it easier for packing and displaying food. Use them for sandwiches, vegetables, pasta, grains, rice, candy, baked goods, and more. Biodegradable, our lunch sack paper bags are biodegradable and recyclable. They are also microwave and freezer safe. No need to worry about cleanup, simply toss them in the trash when you're done. Arts Crafts, our small, brown paper bags are undecorated, making them a great choice for craft and DIY projects. Get creative, you can decorate our bags with your own logo, stamps, stickers, glitter, rhinestones, markers, crayons, the possibilities are endless. Perfect for any occasion, from popcorn bags for a movie night, goodie bags for a birthday party, or simply a bag to pack lunch, you'll find our Kraft brown paper bags are versatile for any occasion. Great value pack. Our value pack comes with 250 Kraft brown paper bags with a 2 lb capacity. Top reviews from the United States. These are great. They are just as described. I'd say they are medium-sized paper bags. Smaller than the classic sack lunch bag but bigger than a mini bag, which I have purchased as well. They were purchased to use as a dog poop bag alternative to plastic bags, and with our pooch paper, also bought separately, it does the job. Can withstand my golden retriever's giant poops and our Cavalier King Charles Spaniel poops.